Today I'm making chicken nuggets. 2 styles, 1 recipe. Classic and Asian style. Super easy, super tasty. Let's go.
First, take 2 chicken breasts and cut them into medium-sized pieces. Put them into a deep bowl. Add some dried garlic, salt and pepper. Now add honey or use sweet soy sauce like I do. Add a little regular soy sauce too. Mix everything well and let it marinate for 20-30 minutes. Take the second half of the chicken and cut it into smaller pieces. Take 2 plates. In the first one, add breadcrumbs and sesame seeds. Mix them well. In the second plate, crack 1 egg and add about 30-50 grams of flour. Mix until smooth with a whisk or a fork. Dip each piece of chicken into the egg mixture. Place them evenly into the air fryer. Now take the marinade chicken pieces and coat them in the breadcrumbs plus sesame mix. Lay them out evenly too. Spray all the nuggets with a little olive oil to get a nice golden crust. I chose the grilled chicken mode 20 minutes at 200 degrees. But that was a bit too much, and the classic nuggets turned out a little dry. Next time I'll cook them for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. That should be perfect. After 11 minutes, pause the air fryer and flip the nuggets for even cooking. Cook until done. Carefully remove the baskets. They're hot. And now our nuggets are ready.
Ratatouille? That must be joking.
First off, the classic style. That's really good. A little bit dry but tasty. Let's try the Asians one. Oh my gosh, that's so juicy and tasty. That looks so good. Okay guys,